you even see this thing? Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. Bottom line up front, there is not really a bottom line to this video. We're just gonna hang out and fly and have a good time. And actually, I have a confession to make to you. If I'm doing my math correctly, for the better part of like 2 years, I have not flown an FPV drone. I know. It's crazy. So we're gonna fix that right now. Hopefully this battery still works. We're using the Synolog 35, little 3-inch drone. This is, well, all right, I'm not gonna, I'll talk while we fly perhaps. How about that, right? Because I could just talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. Anyway, we got a 1300 milliamp hour 6-cell on here. Batteries, or goggles are on. Yeah, so I feel super rusty right now. I've flown on the simulator. You know, we've had those Friday fly days on the simulator, but I got to get back on the actual sticks here. Oh, it is so humid out here, incredibly humid, that all my lenses are fogging up. Probably gonna have to fix my goggles as well. And the bugs are quite insatiable, which is why I have this head net on, which these things are fantastic. Guys, get a head net if you're gonna be out, like outdoors doing stuff. It's crazy how much better it is just to have a head net. All right, cool. I got my goggles on. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, so life has been really busy in well, I guess some good ways, some bad ways. It's been a journey. So that's one of the things that has kind of fallen by the wayside is flying the FPV drones. So let's see if we can fix that right now. All right, these goggles need some help as well, but I think we're good here. All right, it says we're down to 3.6 volts already. I don't know how that's correct. I don't know. Let's get into this here and see if we can see what we can do. So, all right, clear props, arming. Okay, props are clear. Arming. Okay, we are unable to arm for some reason. Why can't we arm? Oh, well, also I forgot to do the DVR as well. That's how long it's been. That is how long it's been. That's weird. I just armed this last night. Why isn't it arming now? Yeah, welcome back to FPV drones, right? Technical situation here. Could that be a thing? It's turning on. We're connected. Okay, there you go. That's FPV for you sometimes. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Yeah. It could be because it's been sitting for a long time. I don't know. All right, let's see. Are you unable to record video? Well, it is recording. All right, I think we have some kind of DVR going here. Okay, here we go. Let's get back to this. This is going to be the first flight in a very long time. Arming. Acro mode. Oh yeah, it immediately says low battery. So this battery must be cooked or it's incorrect. I mean, it feels kind of okay. This is a high voltage battery. I wonder if it's just not calibrated properly. Oh well, let's test my landing skills, huh? Boom. Nailed it. All right, so it doesn't feel like totally terribly different. So that's the other thing, is all these batteries are old. And, well, in case you don't know, I'm not exactly the best about battery management. So I pretty much need all new batteries. So kind of the cool thing though about being away from the FPV scene for like 2 years is that the technology has improved tremendously, or at least I think it has. And I'm sure the battery technology is very good, is getting better as well. So that's kind of cool, but I need to get new batteries because all the batteries I have, they're not going to be in very good shape. Definitely not very good for professional performance kind of flying. All right, so let's plug in another battery here. Boop, boop, bleep, bloop. All right, let's give this a try. Well, this battery definitely doesn't feel warm, so maybe it was just, I don't know, maybe the voltage is just incorrect. Let's see what this guy's saying. Let's get that going there. 24.7 volts, 4.11. Okay, that's much better. Still not great because this is supposed to be fully charged. But anyway, all right, I'm trying to adjust the PIDs, the pupillary eye distance on these goggles. So yeah, goggles are new. I'm several versions behind as far as the DJI goggles. And then we have new cheap HD FPV stuff. So a lot of interesting things going on. What is buzzing right next to me? Okay. All right, it's just that dude. Whew. All right. Okay. Recording. All right, here we go. And air mode. Taking off. Yeah, that feels pretty good too. Golly, this thing is loud. So this drone has been kind of my go-to, I guess you could say, my professional filming FPV drone. If I was gonna, do FPV for a job, especially if I needed to have a GoPro, this is what I would be flying with. I need to adjust these camera settings. Oh no, it's brightening up a little bit, but let's get up in this tree. I've been wanting to do this ever since we moved here. So this takes me back, man. So we just recently, whoa, don't get stuck there. We just recently-ish, a few months ago, purchased this property. This has been a huge blessing. I'm very thankful that we were able to move here. We kind of had to move out from where we were living before, / wanted to move out. So that's a really cool story. I'm not going to get into that right now because I can't quite focus on that. But so this is the first flight at this new property, the new HQ, and I'm pretty sure my legs are getting eaten by mosquitoes. But boy, this feels really good to be back in here, back flying in the treetops. This is a pecan tree or pecan tree, depending on your personal preference. And it's really cool. This drone is terribly loud and I don't like it though. We need to upgrade this for sure. And that's part of what I was working on with the 4-inch drone, the dual 4-inch drone project that was supposed to be like really quiet and stuff. So that's definitely something I'm thinking about. And I've been wanting to get like a tiny whoop or a toothpick sized drone for a long time. If you've been watching the live streams that I was doing over the winter time, I was talking all about that and stuff. But because of being in the middle of moving for the last few months, I just haven't really been able to focus on that. So there we go. Yeah, there we go. This is fun. I like this. It feels good to be back up in here. Easy on the sticks there, buddy. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Let's get up here a little bit, huh? We're down to 3.6 volts, so we're not going to have a lot of voltage to catch us if we need to be caught. Whoa, that was ugly. That was ugly. Yeah, so I need to refamiliarize myself with the rates on this. But this is set up for Cinewhoop type flying. This is set up for you fly around something really slowly, flying indoors, flying through trees, obviously. Very little camera tilt is what we're working with here. 3.6 volts, I should definitely land it. I'm just having too much fun. It's gonna be a really short flight, but here we go. So yeah, so kind of there's a look at the backyard property. And here I am. Whoa, look at me. I'm getting eaten alive with mosquitoes. Woo! All right. Yeah, that was a short flight. All right, this will just be a short one because I'm getting bit up, and I think we've got some rain coming and stuff. All those things. But man, anyway, thanks for joining me though. I just want to dedicate this video to all the folks, all the dudes, all the dads, all the people out there who have maybe not flown in a really long time, you know, because you got stuff, you know, you got stuff you're doing, you know, you're working, you're providing for your family, you're just maybe you got health issues or whatever it is. I just want to encourage you to you know, get back out there and fly if that's something that you want to do, because that's what I'm doing. I'm working on getting back into it. And I know that sounds kind of funny, right? Because this is RC with Adam. Like, this is my thing, right? This is my job. Well, yeah, that is a funny thing. And I think that, you know, sometimes, well, I was going to say sometimes your priorities get out of whack, and that's true, but sometimes you also just, you have to sacrifice things that you enjoy for other bigger stuff that's going on in your life sometimes, and that's okay. So, so I'm going to be getting back into FPV drones, getting back into kind of brushing all the rust off, learning about what's new out there, and just kind of, yeah, refreshing myself on it. So if that's you, if you're in the same situation, get out there and fly something. Get back into it one little step at a time. I know it can be overwhelming with FPV stuff because you got the drone, you got the batteries, you got the goggles, the goggle batteries, the transmitter battery, like all this stuff that has to work all together. So, but I would say just, you know, take that step and, you know, pull out the drone, you know, see if it works. You know, find your batteries, maybe order more batteries. I have a video about purchasing batteries and getting the right batteries and charging batteries and stuff like that. So, but the good news is getting into FPV or getting back into FPV drones kind of has never been easier because now, especially, we have AI stuff that you can use to help you a lot, which I'm also exploring as well. Of course, that's not necessarily a replacement for just talking with somebody who has been doing it and asking them questions, you know, because you want to make sure you get like accurate results. So that's what I'm working on, is trying to leverage the AI stuff to be able, the large language model stuff, to be able to get more content out to you guys that's helpful and thorough, but also vetting it so that it actually makes sense. You're getting the right information, and it's not just like somebody slapped it up there and all that stuff. Because I care about you. I care about that you get the right info. Anyway, that's kind of, I guess, what, you know, I'm personally working on, what's coming up. But leave me a comment on, I don't know, if you thought this was, what? Leave me a comment. I guess just leave me a comment. Just say hi. Just say hi. I'd love to hear if you were in the same situation, or what your advice would be to someone, what your encouragement would be to someone who is kind of facing that similar kind of thing. You know, maybe they got burnt out on drones, or maybe they got burnt out on some area a lot in life, and then the drone stuff and the RC flying and all that kind of went with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.